How to fix your device is not compatible with this version of Android. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can fix this problem. So first thing first, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, then you will see apps. Tap it. At this section, you will see all the applications that you have installed in this device. Search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store, you will see a page like this. You tap on three-dot icon, then you will see uninstall updates. Tap onto it, and then it will ask you if you would like to replace this app with the factory version. And it also says all data will be removed. Here tap onto OK. Once it is so, check if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then head over to your settings again, tap on storage, clear the cache, clear the data as well, read all these, tap delete, tap on force stop, then OK. Restart your device and this shall work. That is all for today guys. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.